right under that tree. Right where Kai is, the water comes out right underneath it. And it just flows out from there and runs down here. And we're in this beautiful spot that's all big cedars and nice and cool down in here. And it's really quite fantastic. So yeah, really quite neat here. It's cool, got the water here. I'm just going to set up here. Let's see. I can go maybe right here. That's my good boy. Yeah. It's pretty nice down in here. We were up top for a bit, but we're staying in the shade. And we all needed a drink, so we came down in here. We're taking it really easy, not going hard at all, and going real slow. I got my big fella Karu with me, and I got Kai as well. Now, they are a magnificent pair of elk hounds, Norwegian elk hounds. And the daughter of Kai's last litter was Karu. We kept her back. Her name is Rita. And she is magnificent, let me tell you. She's a stunning female. And right now, she's down in Montana at the co-breeders, and she's bred the pretty boy Leaf. So wow, that is so magnificent. So that's really exciting. Now, the other daughter of Karu, Kaliva, she's a Silver Nova and Karu daughter, and she's down in Idaho, and she's bred too. Two pretty boy Leaf. And then we have one more. Not a daughter of Karu, but she's a daughter of Jaeger and Cam. And all of you know that Tekla's mom, Tuva's mom, Phoenix, Tika, all them, they're all daughters of Cam. And Tika is a beautiful female. She's bigger than the others, and so Linda did some AI work with Tika to get that hook up with Leaf. Leaf just wasn't quite tall enough. And so it's pretty fantastic. You can jump up here. Hey, sure. Jump right up. Oh, that's my boy. That's my good boy. Karu, he's so personable. Such a phenomenal dog. The hunt drive is so strong, and the bears are all through here. And so he'd be gone hunting bear, and I'd be chasing them all night. So I keep them tight when there's so many bear around. They're all over here. We saw a sign everywhere. And fresh scat, so he's wanting to go. Kai, I can keep her, but Karu, he'd go hunting. He's a hard hunter, this guy. So I don't mess around. But those pups that are coming, oh, they're going to be good. That pretty boy Leaf is a good match for these two. Oh my goodness, for the pups from these dogs. And of course, the Kaliva is a magnificent female too. And then we know how Jaeger and Pretty Boy Leaf match up camp. They're all big dogs. So you get a litter out of Tika with Pretty Boy Leaf, they're going to be some stout, big, solid dogs. And there's no doubt about it. The Rita and Leaf will have some absolute show dogs. Just unbelievably showy. Very, very full tilt instinctive dogs because Rita's full instinct. So yeah, really exciting times. And Kaliva, she's a warrior, boy. Wow. Beautiful female. Beautiful, stunning girl. So this is exciting. So yeah, I did a video this morning early with Paso and Rhea, and then another little video with Rhea. And then I had to get Karu and Kai up here and stretch them out, get my legs stretched out, see how the springs are holding up. Now we're on the upper Ironside is where this is. And I don't come down here much, but in this weather I come here. This is a secluded spot down here, nobody here. And it's a little bit of a jungle to get here, but once you're down here, boy, it's fantastic. And I can stay on the creek, hike up, hike down, and it's pretty good going. And it was good to see that there's still a fair bit of water running. So yeah, it's been pretty nice. It's pretty warm up top. If we get out in the sun, it's pretty warm. So, just hang on, buddy. No, just hang on. Just hang on. I knew he was trying to pull because I saw him sitting. Come here. Hey. Karu. Come here. Karu. Come back over here. I don't want to wrap you up. Right. Jump up here. You've got to have one of these dogs in the bush. You've got to have it. There's no other dog like them. They're so fantastic. Running a pair of dogs too is really amazing. It's a treat beyond compare, let me tell you. Yeah, I'm pretty blessed to have dogs of this caliber. Yeah, this is one of the best dogs in the world right here. One of the best boys in the world. Just blowing a little bit more of his coat out here. Couple last little remnants. Good boy. Good boy. There's my girl, Kai. There's my girl. There's my girl, Kai. Kai's 10. She's a solid workhorse, boy. Just powerhouse dog. Yeah. Beautiful dog. Yeah. Really something. So yeah, these are great. So I'm excited about the litters coming. Oh, it's going to be good. Yeah. So it's going to be a fun time. But I think what we'll do, we'll go, I'm going to make my way up. There's a trail up top here. We're going to climb up out of here. We've been coming up. We're going to climb up. And I'll have some water here first, but it's pretty good here. So yeah. Well, that's a pretty good video, crew. You guys are good. Jesus, you guys are good dogs. Wow. Where'd Kai go? Oh, she's way up there already. Way up there. Look at her go straight up that cliff. She's 10. He just motors. Yeah. Yeah. I should show you this. The water comes out right under that tree. It's really the coolest thing ever. I'll see if I can scroll in there. It comes out right under that cedar tree there. You can see it bubbling out. The tree of life, that tree, let me tell you. Really cool. Yeah. Gosh, she's way up there. Zoom back out here. Yeah, it's wonderful. Cool for them here. You can see the sun shining, but the canopy and the cedars covers everything. Alright, Karu, let's get hiking, buddy.